Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this short video on parallel processing, a compelling new feature of Oracle Integration 3. I'm starting off here in my project where you see I've got my integrations, my connections, my lookups, my libraries. And in this short demo, we're going to have our main integration, which is called here process order, invoking in parallel two other integrations, the financial check here and the legal check here. So essentially the use case is I'm processing an order. Every order needs to go through a financial check and a legal check. These two checks can be done in parallel. So without further ado, let's go into edit this process new order. As you can see here in my palette across here, there is a new action here called parallel processing. Define branches to run two or more actions in parallel. Currently, we're supporting up to 5 parallel branches. So here we are. I can, of course, go in and edit this, give it a name, parallel order processing. And then, of course, within each branch, I am now going to drop in the local invokes for those two integrations. So I can see here call integration. I drop that into branch number 1. Let's do this here for the local order finance check. And let's go in here and there's order finance check. Select the operation. I've only got the one operation. That's the default there. And that is done. Excuse me. Do the exact same thing over here for the legal check. Drop in here. Sorry, excuse me. Let's just do that one more time. Local order legal check. There it is there. Click, click, and then that's done. Now, of course, I can do my mappings here. In this simple example, I'm actually just mapping the order number. So here I'm in the canvas here. And as you can see, order number is going to order number. There we go. Very simple. Validate and exit that. I'll do the same on the other side here. Now, as you can see here, let's look at the map here under, here below. I have access to the response values from each of those invokes. And that is what I can then interrogate to decide on the final response from the integration. So we'll just save that. Let's run it. That you just see we have the design time at runtime aspect of this as well. I go in here, I can activate this integration. You can see here the different levels of tracing with Oracle Integration 3 production. All activities outside of loops are logged. Payloads are not logged. Data is kept for 32 days. We see with audit here, data is kept for 8 days, and we're getting the boundary payloads logged. And debug, okay, great for testing. Everything is logged up to a period of 24 hours. So let's go with that. Let's click. Let's test it now, clicking the run button. We have our default payload here, order number 1. Click on that. Let's go to the activity stream. And there we see design time at runtime representation of what's happened. We see our 2 branches here. We can, of course, go into those branches, see exactly what happened, and so on. So thank you very much. Again, that's just a short intro to parallel processing. Here I have added just the invoke or the map, but we do also support other actions such as JavaScript, notification, scope, switch, etc. Thank you very much.